Welcome back to my channel, fam. Make sure you watch this video to the end to see how I created this insole. For the list of materials I used for this project, check the description box, okay? First, I started by tracing a chalk around the edges of the sole. Then I placed it on the EVA foam and pressed with my hand so the chalk trace can come out clearly. I go ahead to cut out with my scissors, and there we have our insole pattern. I use the pattern to get the other feet by placing it on the EVA foam, marking with a pen and then cut out with the scissors. Then I use the smooth sandpaper to smoothen the edges of the cut out EVA foam. Here I try to create another layer that will be part of the insole just to make it look more unique. To get this layer, place your insole pattern on a paper and get half of the insole length. Then remove half or quarter inch around the edge. After that, get the midpoint of the top of the layer. Then measure between ½ inch to 1 inch downwards and then draw a line to meet the midpoint, just like you can see me do in the video. You can actually go ahead and cut this out at this point, but I decided to go extra by curving the 3 points of the layer. Then I place the new pattern on the EVA foam and cut out, and then I place it on the first insole pattern we created initially. I didn't want to apply cellulose board to this insole before now, but I changed my mind because I want the insole to be more stable. Here I'm applying gum on the cellulose board as well as the EVA foam, after which I put them together and cut out with my scissors. Then I'll apply gum on both the leather pieces and the EVA foam, and then I'll place the EVA foam on the leather and fold in. Meanwhile guys, I have other videos on this channel on how to create an insole, and I also have an insole creation course, so if you want to check that out, the link will be on the description box, okay? Also guys, watch out for my next video to see the footwear I created with this insole. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.